Welcome back to the lab, your sanctuary of somnolence on these chilly winter nights. As the cold creeps in, sleep can feel more elusive than ever, but the secret to better rest might be hiding in your pantry, not your medicine cabinet. Tonight, we'll explore 7 warm, science-backed drinks designed to relax your body and mind for a restful night. No fancy equipment, just simple ingredients and easy rituals. Grab your favorite mug and get cozy. Let's dive into the world of slumber sips and reclaim your nights from winter's icy grip. First up, let's talk about golden milk, a vibrant, soothing drink powered by the ancient spice turmeric. This golden-hued beverage has been cherished for centuries in Ayurvedic tradition, and today, it's making a comeback as a modern bedtime favorite. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, helping calm your body and support restful sleep. It's not just about the color. Curcumin works behind the scenes to ease tension, reduce inflammation from daily stress, and even support your immune system. But curcumin needs a boost. Just a pinch of black pepper increases its absorption by up to 2,000%. This simple addition ensures your body can actually use all the goodness turmeric has to offer. The base is warm milk, dairy or plant-based, whose fat helps your body absorb curcumin and whose warmth signals your brain to relax. The gentle heat of the milk is comforting, and the creamy texture makes every sip feel like a hug. Add ginger for digestion and cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar, preventing nighttime wake-ups. These spices not only add flavor, but also bring their own health benefits, making your cup of golden milk a true wellness elixir. Gently heat the milk, whisk in turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper. Take your time, let the aromas fill your kitchen and set the mood for winding down. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if you like. A touch of natural sweetness not only tastes delicious, but also helps soothe your senses before bed. Each sip delivers anti-inflammatory power, digestive support, and a calming ritual. It's more than a drink. It's a moment of self-care at the end of your day. This isn't just a drink. It's a nightly reset for your body and mind. Imagine curling up with a book, a blanket, and your golden milk, letting the day's worries melt away. Golden milk is a delicious, science-backed way to wind down. It's a tradition that stood the test of time, and for good reason. Simple to make, powerful in effect. You don't need fancy equipment or rare ingredients, just a few pantry staples and a few minutes. Try it as your new bedtime ritual. Let it become a signal to your body that it's time to slow down and prepare for deep, restorative sleep. Let the warmth work from the inside out, soothing your muscles and quieting your mind as you get ready for bed. Your journey to Dreamland starts here, with a cup of golden milk by your side and a sense of calm washing over you. Now, let's move to our next classic. Next, let's talk about the timeless classic, chamomile tea, a remedy cherished for centuries across cultures and continents. Chamomile's secret weapon is apigenin, a powerful flavonoid that binds to calming receptors in your brain, gently reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. This natural compound works in harmony with your body, helping to quiet mental chatter and ease you into a state of relaxation. It's often called nature's mild tranquilizer, offering a gentle, non-habit-forming way to unwind at the end of a stressful day. Chamomile doesn't just calm your mind, it also relaxes your muscles, easing away physical tension and soothing aches after long hours of work or activity. For best results, steep loose-leaf chamomile in hot but not boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover your mug to trap the delicate, soothing oils that make chamomile so effective. The ritual itself is calming, watching the flowers unfurl, inhaling the gentle, apple-like aroma, and feeling the warmth of the mug in your hands. This mindful moment can become a cherished part of your nightly routine. Each cup is more than just flower water. It's a targeted, natural way to quiet your mind, signaling to your body that it's time to slow down and prepare for rest. Studies show that regular chamomile use can improve sleep quality, help you fall asleep faster, and even reduce nighttime awakenings. For maximum potency, use loose flowers, which release more of chamomile's beneficial oils. But if you're short on time, tea bags are a convenient and effective alternative. Chamomile is a simple, elegant solution for peaceful sleep, fitting seamlessly into any bedtime ritual. Sip slowly, relax, and let your worries fade with each warm mouthful. It's a classic for a reason. Trusted by generations to bring comfort and calm. Make it part of your nightly wind-down whether you're reading, journaling, or simply reflecting on your day. Let the gentle power of chamomile guide you to rest, night after night, no matter the season. Ready for the next sleep-inducing sip? Let chamomile be your invitation to deep, restorative sleep. Warm milk and honey, a bedtime staple with real science behind it. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate sleep. But tryptophan needs help crossing into your brain. Enter honey. Its sugars trigger insulin, which clears competing amino acids from your bloodstream, letting tryptophan reach your brain more easily. The result? More melatonin, and a smoother path to sleep. The ritual of sipping warm milk is also a powerful psychological cue for relaxation. Heat milk gently, stir in a teaspoon or two of honey, and enjoy. Use raw, local honey for extra benefits, but any good honey works. This drink is a blend of biochemistry and comfort. It's a simple, effective way to nudge your body toward rest. Let the warmth and sweetness signal bedtime. Rediscover this classic for a deeper, more restful sleep. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the best. Try it tonight and feel the difference. On to our next powerful potion. For those who find themselves tossing and turning, searching for a stronger nudge toward sleep, meet Valerian root, a time-tested herbal sedative that's been trusted for centuries. This humble root has a reputation for helping even the most restless minds find peace at night. Used since ancient times, Valerian's earthy root contains unique compounds that boost GABA, your brain's natural calming neurotransmitter. GABA acts like a brake on your nervous system, slowing down racing thoughts and easing tension. By quieting mental chatter and soothing anxiety, Valerian helps you drift off when other remedies fall short. It's especially helpful on nights when stress or worry keeps you wide awake. To prepare, simply simmer dried valerian root in water for 10-15 minutes to extract its active compounds. The gentle heat coaxes out the root's natural sedative properties, creating a potent bedtime brew. The taste is strong, earthy, and a bit pungent, so don't hesitate to add honey, lemon, or blend with chamomile to soften it. These additions not only improve the flavor, but can enhance the calming effect. Start with a small amount. Valerian is potent and can cause vivid dreams, or, in rare cases, even mild stimulation. Everyone's body reacts differently, so it's wise to begin with a conservative dose and see how you respond. It's not meant for long-term use without medical advice, but it's excellent for those occasional sleepless nights when you need extra help to unwind and settle in. Valerian is a powerful, natural alternative to prescription sleep aids, offering a gentler approach for those wary of pharmaceuticals. Respect its strength and use mindfully, paying attention to how your body reacts and adjusting as needed. It's a serious tool for serious insomnia, best reserved for those nights when nothing else seems to work. If gentle teas aren't naive, Innoferdonderide stai, Yotski Yef Jonden Mai, or Nomrides, and you're seeking a deeper, more restorative sleep, give Valerian a try and see if it's the missing piece in your nighttime routine. Let it help you find deep, restorative sleep, so you can wake up refreshed and ready for a new day. Sometimes nature's solutions are the most effective, offering gentle support when you need it most. Brew carefully, sip slowly, and let the calm take over as you settle in for the night. Next, discover a fruit-based approach to sleep that's as delicious as it is soothing. Tart cherry juice, specifically from Montmorency cherries, is a natural source of melatonin. Melatonin is your body's sleep hormone, and tart cherries deliver it directly, helping regulate your sleep-wake cycle. They also contain polyphenols that help preserve tryptophan, boosting your body's own melatonin production. Drink 100% pure tart cherry juice with no added sugar for best results. Enjoy it cold or gently warmed for a cozy bedtime treat. Studies show regular use can increase sleep time and efficiency. It's a simple, evidence-based way to support your natural rhythm. Add tart cherry juice to your nightly routine for a gentle, effective sleep boost. No tricks, just real, natural melatonin. Perfect for those whose sleep schedule needs a reset. Let nature's own sleep aid help you drift off. Ready for a refreshing herbal option? Peppermint tea isn't just for fresh breath, it's a powerful pre-bedtime drink. Menthol, peppermint's active compound, relaxes muscles and soothes your digestive system, easing discomfort that can keep you awake. The aroma itself lowers stress hormones and calms your mind through simple aromatherapy. Steep a peppermint tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, covering your mug to capture the menthol-rich steam. It's especially helpful after a heavy meal or for tension headaches. If you have acid reflux, skip peppermint. It can worsen symptoms. For everyone else, it's a refreshing, multi-benefit way to wind down. Peppermint tea is a digestive aid, muscle relaxant, and stress reducer in one. Simple, effective, and delicious. Make it your go-to after dinner. Let the cool, calming scent clear your mind. Next, our bonus botanical for deep relaxation. Lavender, famous for its calming scent, makes a beautiful sleep-promoting tea. Its active compounds, linalool and linaloyl acetate, enhance GABA and serotonin, reducing anxiety and setting the stage for restful sleep. Lavender also lowers heart rate and blood pressure, helping your body unwind. Steep a teaspoon of culinary-grade dried lavender buds in hot water for 5 to 8 minutes. The floral, slightly sweet flavor is deeply relaxing. Add honey if you like. Lavender tea is both aromatherapy and herbal remedy in one cup. Try blending with chamomile for extra calm. Each sip wraps your senses in tranquility. Let lavender quiet your mind and prepare you for deep rest. It's an elegant, delicious way to end your day. Now, let's wrap up your new nightly ritual. There you have it, 7 science-backed drinks to help you sleep through winter's chill. From golden milk to tart cherry juice, each offers a unique path to better rest. Experiment and find your favorite. Share your results in the comments. Let's build a community of better sleep. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more science-based tips. Until next time, stay warm, stay curious, and sleep well. Good night.